designated carer, Lexi, how would you feel?
Miss Pierce, this is important.
Well, if it brought her back to Walford, then yeah, of course.
Well, that wasn't the question. Mr. Broom wanted to know how you would feel if Lexi were to live with Mr. Mitchell specifically.
All right, I suppose.
You suppose?
No.
I think Your Honour is asking if you trust him, yeah?
That's a yes, is it? Miss Pierce?
Yes, Your Honour.
Lexi Pierce will be the 4th generation of her family brought up in care. That in itself is an indictment of a system which I'm sure Your Honour will concur in saying is no longer fit for purpose. I cast no aspersion on the agencies that have invested the time, effort and money in trying to help, but something clearly needs to change. Let's break this cycle of dependence. Mr. Mitchell, as you've heard, has been brought up in the School of Hard Knocks. He's got something to prove here. You've heard the evidence regarding his strong support network, of his success in achieving financial security. You've heard from his own mouth the level of commitment he is prepared to bring to Lexi's future. That, along with the support and trust of the child's mother, gives me every confidence he will succeed in that endeavour. I beg to move the submission.
Thank you, Mr. Broom. There'll be a short adjournment while I consider my judgment.
All rise.
Okay, yes.
What did he tell you, eh? About looking the judge in the eye and answering confidently. You might have blown it now to both of us, you realise that, don't you?
Chill your beans, Philip. Now's not the time.
First, the court is satisfied on the basis of submissions and evidence of all interested parties, and given Mr. Mitchell's clear desire to play a significant role in Lexi's future, that there is no alternative but to continue the interim care order. Second, we have considered what orders should be made in the day-to-day care of Lexi for the duration of these proceedings, given the sincere assurance from Mr. Mitchell regarding his full cooperation. Mr. Mitchell is approved as kinship foster carer for Miss Pierce. Finally,
What does that mean?
It means we've won.
with regard to contact between Lexi and her birth mother, we make an order that Mr. Mitchell will now arrange and supervise contact 3 times a week.
Cost you so much money.
Yeah, because you're a genius, right?
My hands are still damp, I was that nervous.
well, honesty's a big risk, but I had a gut feeling and I trust my gut. Talking of which, I am starving. There's an Italian round the corner, chef's a mate of mine who fancies it. You're a treat.
You want to come to the restaurant?
No, I wouldn't have thought it was that sort of thing, is it, really? Sit around with a load of grown-ups, talk a load of cobblers. You're better off going home celebrating with your mates, aren't you?
Am I really only going to see Lexi 3 times a week? That's the same as I saw her before.
What are you moaning about? We've won, haven't we? Yeah. Get yourself a taxi.
It's going to be okay.